Spinal cord injuries can lead to paralysis, and since spinal neurons don't regenerate in adults, there is currently no cure. But scientists are developing an innovative wireless patch that stimulates stem cells with tiny electrical pulses, bringing us closer to restoring damaged spinal cord tissue. Stem cells have the power to turn into new, functional cells. When guided correctly, they could replace damaged neurons and rebuild nerve connections. Traditional electrical stimulation requires wires and surgery, which can cause infections and pain. This new wireless patch avoids those risks. Made from safe, biocompatible materials, the patch uses external magnetic fields to send pulses to stem cells, boosting their ability to become neurons and form stronger synapses. In lab tests, this method increased neuron growth by nearly 3 times and showed real promise in healing spinal cord injuries. Though more research is needed, this wireless stem cell patch could one day transform the future of spinal cord injury treatment.